Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this look right here. This is basically very natural. It is very healthy skin. It's dewy skin. As you can see, it is very glowy, and there's literally just a touch of eyeshadow on the eyes. I have added on lashes to give that really feminine, very beautiful, ethereal look right here. The lips, as you can see, it's a rose tinted color. It's a rose tinted gloss that I have used. I didn't want to use anything matte. I didn't want anything harsh. Everything in this look is just flowing into each other. This look is amazing to wear during the day if you're going out on a date, or if you're just going out for lunch, if you're going out with a girl. It is such a beautiful and such an ethereal look to wear. And if you want to see a tutorial on a lighter version of this, then I suggest you go to my Instagram account and check out my everyday makeup routine, which is, it does not use foundation. It just uses concealer to hide whatever we need to hide, and basically it's a very quick and awesome tutorial at that. So this is my Instagram account right here, so do definitely go check it out if you want a lighter version of this look. And as always, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Let's start. Starting with the eyes, I'm going to be using this shade from the NYX Dreamcatcher palette. This shade is exactly the color of my skin tone. So what this shade is going to be doing for me is just adding sheen to my entire eyelid. Moving on to the skin, I'm using the MAC Matchmaster Liquid Foundation in the shade 4.0, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face with the YBP Makeup Perfector. And I am a little tan right now, so this is a little light for me, but we're going to make this work. Using Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay, I'm going to be concealing with this under my eyes and around my mouth. I just want to cover all the darkness that's there around my mouth. And then using the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer, I'm going to use that to highlight all the high points of my face. So that down the bridge of my nose, I'm also using this to highlight my forehead and obviously my chin. I'm going to blend everything out once again using the YBP Makeup Perfector. You want to make sure everything is very well blended. You want everything concealed well. You want everything blended well. Moving on, I'm using the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder, and this powder is beautiful in the sense it has a very fine sheen to it. So when you apply it all over your face like I'm applying right now, your face is just going to emit a natural glow. It's going to reflect light. Moving on, I'm using the Kiko Milano bronzer, and as you can see, I don't want to contour. I'm just bronzing my face up. I'm giving color to my face. I'm adding warmth to my face. So I'm using that on my cheeks and just on my forehead to kind of, the outlines of my face. Next, I'm using this highlighter from NYX. It's a liquid highlighter, but I'm just going to use it where I applied my bronzer and not essentially where I have highlighted. To highlight the high points of my face, I'm using this MAC Mineralise Skinfinish highlighter in the shade Soft and Gentle, and I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, like my cupid's bow, the chin. I did highlight down the bridge of my nose as well, on my forehead, under my brow bone, making sure it's well highlighted. And I'm also going to use this shade to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. As you can see, just very soft, very gentle with Soft and Gentle. Haha. Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I'm going to apply 2-3 coats to the top and bottom lashes. And I did forget to apply blush, so this is a very nice pinky blush which I have applied, like you can see I am applying. And after which I did go ahead and apply false eyelashes. These are lashes by NYX in, I think they're called Tease. And moving on, finally I'm applying NYX Lip Lustre. It is a gloss. It is a rose colored gloss, and I've applied that all over my lips. So I really think this gloss is really nice. It's the first time I've used it, and it's actually brought the entire look together. So we're done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. You can see how healthy the skin looks. You can see how dewy it looks. So if you guys like this, then please do leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video.